Okay, hello everyone. Listen, I'm gonna try a real stupid card trick. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'll give it a shot. All right, just a deck of cards. We're gonna pick a couple cards. There's nobody here to pick it, so I'm just gonna kind of go like this and just kind of peel them off like this, and just go for a little while, and then I'll just say stop. How about this one right here? All right, it's the Eight of Hearts. All right, the Eight of Hearts will be our card. I'll put it down like that. All right, 1, 2, turn blue. I'll spread them out. I know it doesn't always work. Oh, there. There's a blue card right there. And if you recall the card that we picked, it was the Eight of Hearts. All right, it turned blue. All right. What I'm going to do with the Eight of Hearts, I'm going to put it right here. Okay. We're going to pick another card. If I can pick this up. All right, there's nobody here to pick it, so I'll do this again so we can get another card to turn blue. I'll just go like this, and after a while, I'll just say stop. All right, how about this one right here? It's the Queen of Spades. I'll put it down, see if it works again. 1, 2, turn blue. All right, looking for blue. Looking for blue. Oh, guys, I don't think it worked this time. Sometimes it doesn't work. But wait, unless maybe this card right here, the 8, turned to the Queen. Maybe this card turned to the Queen. Let's find out. I can't get it up. There, it's the Queen of Spades now. Okay, that's the trick. Thanks, you guys.